Today I just wanted to show you that you don't always need to get a plumber. Like, I am by no means a plumber, but to just change the tub spout, save a little money and do it yourself. The reason that we needed to do it at our house is this is our old tub spout, and it had become just like unusable because it got stuck in the shower position. So you can't even change the diverter to go down through the tub spout at all. We tried using CLR on it a couple of times, but it just keeps getting stuck again. So we bought a new one, and when we went to the store the first time, the new tub spout that we bought was the wrong kind. So before you go to the store, I recommend taking off your existing tub spout. I was actually going to show you that it's pretty simple. How it works is when the tub spout is on here, underneath you're going to find a screw, and you just need to take one of these little Allen wrenches and loosen it up, and then you'll just be able to like twist it and pull it off. So, and once you pull that off, you'll be able to see if you need to do, like, well, what kind of tub spout you need. Like, this is a 1/2-inch copper pipe, so we needed to get a compression fitting new tub spout as opposed to the twist-on. So, you'll also want to see how the plumber putty is doing under here. Ours was all crumbling and fell into pieces, so we put a little bit more on, and we took the old stuff off and then let that sit overnight. So it's a little bit still tacky today, but it is ready for the new tub spout to go on. And you can see the hole here just goes right over the copper spout. You push it on, get a nice fit there against the wall, and then you'll just use your Allen wrench to screw it back in nice and tight, and that's it. And now we will have a working tub spout again. Woohoo! I hope this has made you realize that you can do this yourself and you don't need to hire a plumber. Voila! Did it myself.